Hey guys, it's Amelia and welcome back to my channel. I hope that your week so far has been great because I know that my week has been great and productive and really interesting so far. So yeah, I really wish that you guys enjoy your week up ahead and just seize your moment. Coco inspired quote right there. So for today's video, I'm doing a one brand tutorial featuring Maybelline, of course. Maybelline is one of my favorite drugstore brands out there. I have tons of Maybelline product, that's why I just thought, well, I should just do this video then. I'm also going to be using a lot of new products out there that probably aren't in Indonesia yet, but some are, so keep a lookout. I'm gonna use these 3 items on my video today because these are fairly new in the Maybelline scene and I feel like I should give it a go, and I heard a lot of good things about this one. This highlighter is, come on, it's beautiful. If you guys don't like wearing eyeliner, sometimes I don't, so I just use my eyeshadow as a liner. That's why I create this smoky winged eye look, and it gives you that pulled effect and your eyes go upward and you just need like a little touch of mascara. Anyways, we're gonna go straight into the tutorial itself. If you're interested in knowing how to do this look that I created today, then keep on watching. Also, don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and if you want to subscribe, there's a subscribe button down there somewhere. Hit the subscribe button, girl! I'd like to be friends with you. And one last thing, I know I'm asking a lot from you guys. Please comment down below what you would like to see next. I would love to hear your opinion, and I'll be happy to reply to all of them when I have the time, so don't forget, comment down below. I hope you enjoy this video as much as I do, and I'm hoping that I get to see you, yes, you, on the next video with me on the same set doing our makeup together. That's just really bad. See you guys, bye! Let's get started! I'm gonna be using the Maybelline Baby Skin Pore Eraser just in my T-zone area, as I've already moisturized my face with another product beforehand. This is just to keep my pores minimized. Here's my Maybelline Fit Me foundation with the Superstay foundation. I don't know why, but I just keep adding this particular foundation onto every single foundation routine I have out there, and the reason is it makes everything look so freaking good and flawless and full coverage, and I just really love the effect. Now, to really make my face super flawless, I'm going to conceal my face with the Fit Me concealer. This one is in the shade Light. I'm going to distribute this product evenly throughout the face, underneath my eyes, on my forehead, on my chin, and anywhere I feel like I have any discoloration on my face as well. I'm using this brush from Zoeva. It's called the Face Shape Brush. It's domed shape and it's also very soft for blending out anything. And this is perfect for blending out smaller areas because it's a smaller brush and it blends like a dream. I know this is not a Maybelline product, sorry, but I don't have any setting powders from Maybelline yet, so I'm gonna be using this RCMA Makeup No Color Powder to just bake my face and leave it there so that it could work its magic. I'm gonna use the rest of the powder to just set the rest of my face, and yeah, making sure everything's nice and prepped for the next step. As you can see, I don't have any brows on already, so I'm gonna go off camera and do this, looking a little bit better. So I have my Maybelline in collaboration with Gigi Hadid eyeshadow palette. This is the warm palette, and I'm gonna use the color, what is it called? Paradise Cove, okay. I'm going to be using this color called Paradise Cove, and I'm going to slowly blend my eyeshadow into a cat eye shape because we're not using any eyeliner today. We're gonna make sure that this gives that pulled effect that we were talking about before. And yeah, This is gonna be your wing liner, guys. I'm gonna do the same exact thing on the other eye, blending it out perfectly and slowly, and also making sure that everything looks symmetrical and that it looks the same on both eyes. I'm gonna use another blending brush to just blend out the edges so that there are no harsh lines whatsoever. Now I'm gonna grab this color called Monte Carlo. Oh, Montecito, sorry. Monte Carlo, my ass. I mean Montecito. And I'm going to just deepen the outer edges with this beautiful coral shade. I seriously don't know why I just said Monte Carlo, because that's probably one of my favorite like chick flick movies, but alright, it's Montecito, guys. I get it. I'm sorry. Now grabbing the shade Pacific Coast Highway, I got it right this time. I'm going to further deepen the outer corners, making sure that it looks nice and mysterious, if you know what I'm saying. So yeah, I'm just gonna blend this to perfection. I'm making sure that there are no areas that are patchy. I want this to look very seamless and smooth. Using the exact same color, I'm using a small smudger brush from Zoeva as well, and I'm creating that line as to how I want my eyeliner to look. Because I'm not using any eyeliner, I'm going to really focus this product as the liner itself. I'm blending in that exact same color into the liner that we just created, just so that there are no separate lines in between them both. I really wanted to make it look like a gradient, and it looks like it's deep underneath and then it goes much more lighter on the top. I am just gonna do the exact same thing with the other eye here. And again, using a separate blending brush that's clean, I'm just going to blend out the edges. I don't want any patchiness whatsoever. And yeah, look at that. It looks like a nice gradient, right? I'm now going to grab this shade called Firehouse. It's a coral shimmer shade, and I really love this shade. It's so summery and it just really fits that bronzy look. I'm just going to grab my flat brush and I'm going to pack the product on my eyelids. So I'm grabbing quite a lot and I'm just packing it in, just making sure that everything looks intense. But I do feel like it's not as intense as I want it to be. So I'm just going to spray a little bit of Fix Plus on my brush. And I'm going to do the exact same thing. I'm going to pack the product into my eyelids. And look, it looks so much better with Fix Plus. So do keep that in mind. So now I'm gonna brush off that setting powder that has been baking for a while now on my face. I'm just gonna brush it like I would normally, and also kind of spread it around the face to just reset the whole face again. Using the shade Montecito and Paradise Cove, I'm just going to use the same smudger brush and gonna line the outer corners of my under eye. And this is just to create a more smoky look. I'm also grabbing that shade Pacific Coast Highway and I'm going to deepen that outer corner. I'm gonna do the exact same thing on the other eye. Don't forget to also connect this line with the liner that you just created before. We want to have everything connected and seamless so that there's nothing that's separated and everything looks like one piece and one artwork. I kind of look like a superhero here. Now grabbing the shade Blonde, I'm just gonna use my pinky finger to put this in my inner corners. I'm gonna use this color to brighten up my eyes, and yeah, I'm just patting the color on. This shade is also very nice because it's very brightening and it's perfect for these kinds of look. By the way, my battery died, so I applied a bit of a eye pencil on my upper waterline. This is Bluebell from LAVIE Lash, and these are my favorite lashes of all time. You can go for a natural look with this, but you can also go for a dramatic look with this. This is such a universal eyelash that you can use every single day in any occasion. Because I have small eyes in general, I'm Asian, duh. I mean, look at how it creates such a big difference on my eyes, right? Now on to contouring. I'm using Maybelline's Master Bronze Color and Highlighting Kit. I'm using this shade right here, and I'm just gonna contour my face with it. And this thing is pigmented. Look at how much I added there. I'm just gonna blend it carefully, and I'm gonna add it to the hollows of my cheek, and I'm gonna make sure that everything is contoured. I'm also gonna grab a smaller brush, and I'm going to contour my nose. Grabbing the color next to it and also the first color, I'm gonna combine those two colors and just use this shade as my bronzer. I'm gonna apply it on my cheeks, on the sides of my forehead, and also don't forget to bronze down your neck, on the sides of your chin. Just make sure that everything is just like bronzed out. Now I'm gonna grab the second shade from the left, and I'm going to use this as my blush. I really like this shade because it's very bronzy. Then again, it is a contouring palette, but this brick shade in particular is very warm, and it is perfect for a blush. This is always my favorite part, highlighting. This is Master Chrome by Maybelline, of course. It's the Molten Gold shade. I'm just gonna apply this product on the highest points of my cheek, on the sides of my forehead, and using a smaller brush, I'm going to intensify that highlighter. I mean, woo! I'm gonna do the exact same thing on the other side of my face, making sure that everything is intense as I want it to be. I'm gonna apply this on the tips of my nose, on the bridge of my nose, on my cupid's bow, and also a little bit on my chin. I'm also gonna grab this product with my finger and apply it underneath my brows, and I'm just gonna highlight it there. I want to make sure that this looks very fresh and very bronzy. I'm going to use the MAC Cosmetics Fix Plus, and I'm going to set my face with it as I usually would with any other makeup looks. Last but not least, this is the Gigi Hadid collaboration lipstick in the shade Taura. It's a very pale pink nude lipstick, but it is perfect for these kind of bronzy looks. So I'm going to apply that shade. This formula is also so bomb, and I love it because it's not drying at all. Going the extra mile here, I'm just gonna highlight anywhere where I feel like I need highlighting. So here's the final look, you guys. I hope you love it as much as I do. I completely love it because not only that it's very effortless and easy to do, it looks so perfect and looks like you just got back from your summer vacation. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye!